Very good morning, class 8 student. I am here on the lecture 19th and our reader's second poetry, that is the Milk for Cat. In my 18th class, last class, around the 50% portion of this poetry I made you very clear. Right now I am here with page number 30. And paragraph second starts here with the white saucer like come, some full moon descends. White means white, you know it. Saucer means plate. Saucer means plate. The white plate like full moon descends. You will find as the moon gets down, it is something feature like the plates. It is also like the whitish, yellowish, and the plate is generally of the whitish and the yellowish. And the feature is something like the round, and the moon feature is the something like round. And at least from a clouds of the table above, and above that, at the last from the clouds of the table above. Above the table there is an infinite vision of a sky in the same manner. She shines the dreams and the thrills and the glow and the transfigured with the love. The milk is of the so much importance for a cat. She is so much mesmerized, she is so much captivated with the milk. Whatever she is doing, means cat is doing, her will and the mind is well set towards the haze of milk. So, she shines the dreams. She is very much happy in the dreams and the thrills and the glue, and he is in the excessive exuberance and the transfigured with the love and fully submerged in the love. She nestles over the shining ring and the buries her chin in the creamy sea. She shelters over the shining rim. She shelters over the shining rim and buries her chin in a creamy sea. And the cat's chin, he is the touching the milk. The some portion of his the mouth is also stained with the color of the milk. And her tails hang loose and the drowsy paw. As she gets down to take on the milk from a plate, is the doubled under the each bending knee, and she is acting, she is in the process of the taking milk from the plate by bending her leg. A long dim ecstasy holds her life, and her world is the infinite shapeless white. A long, very big, dim means faint, ecstasy means the jubilance. A faint jubilance holds her life. This sort of the jubilance is the well set in her mind, cat's mind, and her world is in the infinite shapeless white, and his world is the fully of the white. White is a thing here that is metamorphosed with the milk, because the color of milk is white. Until her tongue was the curled at last holy drop, and then she sinks back into night. And as the oxygen is the needed for us, in the same manner for a cat, the holy drop means the drop of the milk is so much important for that very cat. Draws the deeps her body to heap, as she is the very much happy with the having the milk. Her sleepy nerves in a great armchair lies defeated, the buried deep, and there 3 and the 4 hours unconscious the milk. As you know, the milk having the some sleepy quality, and you know how much desirable cat has been for the milk. As the cat sips the milk, she feels sleepy. She feels and sleepy, and when she go for the sleep, she went for the sleeping at least for the 3 and the 4 hours, very sound sleep and very unconsciously, very unconscious. In the main way, Be a stay in your home, and bye bye, and see you, but respect your parents.